Alright, let's go over how to draw Thing from Wednesday, okay? I really like this version of him. So it's basically like a hand on the page. So let's get started, okay? Super easy. Gonna go right here. Curve for the bottom of the hand here. Pulling back. Okay. Gonna pull downward here for kind of the thumb. Line over here. And then now we're gonna have the edge, the end of the digit of the thumb right there. Gonna pull up over here. That's the fingernail side. Right over here for one of the knuckle of the thumb. Up. Okay. We're gonna go over here and find the other finger right there. Line down there. Curve out for the finger, the pointer finger. Pulling up here. Line over here. Over here. Knuckle right there. Knuckle right there for the front. Now we're going to pull back for the back of the palm of the hand first, okay? Kind of the back of the palm, up right there. Don't forget, by the way, don't forget, if you like learning stuff, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I go over how to draw stuff, but in a slow, kind of understandable way. They're usually direct drawings. I'm going to also start doing iPad drawing tutorials as well if you have an iPad. So don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification if what I do here is worth your time at all. Okay, Sketch Ninjas, sweet. Gonna go over here. Curve. Right there for the fingernail. Line down. Curve up, you get that fingernail right there. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull out the middle digit right there. Out. Down. Over here. Curve along the bottom. If you guys seen Wednesday yet, let me know what you thought of it. I thought it was pretty cool, to be honest. I don't know. I didn't like it as much as everybody did. I did like it, though. I did like it. But yeah, let me know what you thought of it. If you loved it or you're like, oh, you know, you wish it was better. I thought it was pretty good. That's what I would say. Gonna go right here. And I'm going to find the pinky in the back. Down over here. Curve in. Up. Line over there. Gonna find kind of the fatty pad right here of the you know, the knuckle area of the opposable thumb. Gonna pull up right there. He's got a little bit of hand. Up right here, a little bit of hand. Curve over here. All right. So far, so good. You got a hand right there. One thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in, and I think you should do this too, fill this in to kind of make it recede back into, just kind of like, it goes back in space. Going to go right here now, and I'm going to curve for like some scarring, because he has this cool scarring going on in the new one, which is pretty neat. Line right there. Line across over here at the end. You can draw maybe like one more right here. Alright. Now it's stitching, right? So you want to draw like that across there. There. Line right there. Line right there. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you did like the show, and if you're watching this far, absolutely hit that like. Same thing over here on this one. That's stitching across. Like so. Over here on this one right here, same thing. I really liked Uncle Fester in Wednesday. I thought that was really awesome. Line right here at the top for that seam. One more thing as far as detail goes, we want to give him a fingernail on this one. So line right there. Gonna pull down, curve on that side. Gonna go over here on this side, line over here, curve down, pull out over there. Draw maybe some creased lines here to show the actual creasing. Line over here. Sweet. So far, so good. If you want, you can draw like that. There's another finger back there, so what you can do is I can do this up to show that there's another finger in the back, and I'm going to fill that in as well. Right on. To give it a little bit more of that, you can throw little thin lines right here. Again, I'm just using a Sharpie. You can use anything you like, by the way. You can use any type of marker you want. I'm using a marker. Use a pen or pencil, whatever. It's completely fine. But I would say pay attention to kind of your line quality and how clean it is, because that does tend to change the opinion of the viewer. So if you draw the same thing and it's kind of messy and sketchy, usually it's bad, but it can look good. But with a marker, you don't really want sketchy usually. You would like it clean. That's kind of what we're trying to do here. And it creates good habits to actually stay clean. So I'm going to curve right here, up, back over here, up, right there. Line over there. Continue to curve the line on this side. You know, I'm putting a bold line just around the outside of everything. And the reason I want to do that is because it gives a little bit more of like a sticker look, right? There is stickers on the website. Go check that out on the main site. There's also, if you want to learn how to draw everything, like for example, I go over the anatomy of the hand and everything you need to know about that and how to draw it perfectly, go check those out on the Skillshare link below, okay? There's a Skillshare link. There's classes on everything, on faces, on the eye, on the head, on the human body, on anatomy, the hands, the feet, everything. Go check that out and you will not be disappointed. Take a look. Really good stuff over there. But if your goal is to actually become like, you know, like a pro artist or anything like that, you would do, or even just like very adequate, it's best to like learn anatomy. Curve over here. Gonna go over here on this side. Down. Right there. Maybe a little bit thicker down here. I don't know, the line's a little bit off. But anyways, if you want to see any other drawings or tutorials on anybody from Wednesday, maybe Wednesday herself, let me know in the comment section, okay? And I'm going to pay attention. I watch and talk to so many people on the comment section. Please, please, please make yourself known, and I would love to talk to you. That's pretty much the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I do want to say thank you so much, and I will see you next time, all right? See you later. Oh yeah, one last thing. Keep it real. Follow your dreams.